How to make tcpdump to display IP and port number but not hostname and protocol. I'm using tcpdump for some tests. I want to see the IP and port number, but the output of tcpdump is like. It only shows the hostname and the protocol for HTTP. It is easy to know it is 80, but for DNP I have to search. So is it possible to how to make tcpdump to display IP and port number but not hostname and protocol? If so, how? Thanks.
Add n to your tcpdump command line. From the tcpdump man page. It should also be noted that on Fedora, and perhaps other derivatives, RAW, CentOS, etc., they have patched the original tcpdump version to include a separate option nn to remove port numbers. From the man page.
I use nn parameter. nn, don't resolve host names or port names. Run it as
N works only for host names, but doesn't work for port numbers. nn does the trick for both. This is running tcpdump version 4.5.1 on Fedora 20 new/Linux. Downvoted answer of @atlank is the only correct. I sadly can neither upvote it nor write a comment below it because of low karma.
I think the best approach is steps to test. Open a console and type. Open another console and type. If the output is too verbose, you can filter it out. Grab V pattern 1 and vertical bar pattern 2. Open a third console and type. Expected output. If you use sudo tcpdump ini, you will see something like this.